Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be comparing the Audemars Piguet 37mm rose gold pave diamond reference 260920K with the Audemars Piguet rose gold diamond reference 262310R. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the bezel, the dial, the movement, the bracelet, try each one on and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. They're both 37mm and they're both discontinued, but you probably could buy them at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. Okay, 37mm from my thumb to my index finger. So they're the same size, nothing to talk about there. Now, this pave diamond one, 260920K, has a white rubber around the bezel. Now on the newer version 26231, this one on the right, the white bezel has been removed. Now here's my thoughts. The white rubber actually looks cooler, but it's less practical because if you ding it or it gets dirty, then obviously it doesn't look very nice. Rubber is not very it's kind of a little bit more fragile. Gold, it's less likely, well, you know, it's metal, so metal is going to be more durable than rubber, and it's not going to, like, if you got this white rubber dirty or stained it with like wine or something, it would stain on this white rubber, but on this gold obviously it won't. So that's one cool thing about having this style bezel, a metal bezel. Now moving on to the pushers. Okay, now the pushers are also in white rubber on the left, and they're metal on the right, which again, that's a touch point. If you look at the touch point, well, if you touch this enough times, it's still going to be gold and there's no issue. However, on the white one, if you touch it with dirty fingers or you get it dirty, it will not look good. Okay, now let's talk about the dial. Now they saved white mother of pearl. Now on the left, it's actually white mother of pearl, whereas on the right, it's silver or white. Do you guys see the difference? White mother of pearl, like it kind of looks different in different lights. You kind of see that? Okay. Now let's talk about the case. Now obviously one case on the left has pave diamonds, 328 diamonds to be exact, all over this watch, whereas on the right there are no diamonds. Now of course, diamonds are a woman's best friend, and if you can stomach paying $70,000 for the watch on the left, or if you have a wallet big enough to pay for $70,000, I'd probably pick the one on the left. If you don't, then you can choose the one on the right, which is much less. It's in the 30s, high 30s at the moment, but 30s, and the retail price is around the 40s. Okay? So that's the difference. If you look at the case, you know, if you want to stand out in a crowd, well, obviously you go with the one that's completely diamonded out. Granted, you have $70,000. Okay, and you can take a look here. What else do you notice that they on the white rubber covers the bezel so that the rubber gasket doesn't show up. Do you see that? The rubber gasket right there, which keeps the watch watertight, doesn't show up. Now the buckle is actually the same. Or I'm sorry, the bracelet is actually the same, okay? If you look at them side by side, they're exactly the same. One's just sized different, that's all, okay? It's the same rubber strap, you could actually interchange them, okay? But looking at the buckle itself, the buckle is the part where it has the diamonds. Obviously the ones with diamonds keeps it continuous and it puts diamonds throughout on the buckle itself. So the only difference between these two are, let's start from the top again. The dial on the left is mother of pearl. The dial on the right is silver. The bezel going around it has white rubber, and the one on the right doesn't. And the one on the left has a lot of diamonds. The one on the right doesn't. Okay, so those are my thoughts. That is the comparison. And to give you my thoughts, well, I kind of said it throughout, and that is, of course, I think the diamond one is a superior watch. but it also comes with a superior price tag. the one on the right, keep in mind these are ladies' watches, by the way. I can't fit this one on because it's too small. Okay, but they're, as I said, I probably would pick the ladies' diamond one. I'm sorry, yeah, if I were a lady and I had the money, I'd probably pick it. But if you don't, then the all rose gold one is also a very good option for you. I can't put this one on my wrist, it's too small to fit, so I'm just gonna hold it here like that for you. Okay, anyways, look, if you want to buy these watches, please go to jazztime.com. Thanks.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.